morning, guys. I've had an interesting morning and I'm really excited to do this video. So as we learned from my last video, I only have terrible shampoo and conditioner at the moment. We bought it from Aldi, it's not good, I don't recommend it, my hair feels dead, completely dead. So, I got an email this morning from Priceline Sisters Club or whatever it's called, hashtag not spons, just quietly. But I got this email this morning from Priceline saying you could spend $49 and get this giant bag of gifts, hair care gift things. So I got on it. I had to go to Westfield Carindale to pick up a camera battery anyway, which I've got. So I decided to stop into Priceline while I was there, buy some good quality shampoo and conditioner, and get myself a giant bag of free stuff. So I think what we're gonna do is go through this bad boy last. I haven't seen anything that's in here. I kind of have a bit of an idea of what I might get because they give you a bunch of pictures on the front here, but it does say that you might get different products to that. So we're gonna do that last. I guess first things first, this isn't very interesting for anybody here, but I went and picked up an extra camera battery. That's my battery. This is actually the old one. I already had to put the new one in here, so hopefully that won't die before I've finished filming this. And that came with a little case to put it into. Okay, and so I had to spend $49. I ended up spending, I think, $52 in total, so only $3 over what you needed to pay. Okay, so this is all of the stuff that I actually paid for in order to get this gift bag. So the first thing I got are these HASK Argan Oil Repairing Shampoo and Conditioner. So hopefully they'll be pretty useful to get my hair back to a semi-alive state. Also from the same brand, I got this Argan Oil Repairing Deep Conditioner. I just figured it would be good to have two conditioners and also just good to have a deep conditioner because I use a lot of conditioner. I only use a little bit of shampoo, but I always run out of conditioner first. And the next thing that I got is this Brite mask. This is for blonde hair and it's the blackcurrant one. As we know, I buy the Brite Organix hair dye, so I figured I would just pick this up and the next time that I do my hair, I might use that as a mask to help it not be so dead. And along the same lines as that, hello pesto. Please don't knock my camera. Please. Just... okay? Thank you. Oh, she's straight back there. This is from the brand Brite Organix as well. I thought I'd just try this one because I haven't before. So this is the rose gold semi-permanent hair dye. I just thought I would try this one because I don't think I've tried it before and my turquoise is almost gone from my hair, so I'll have to try another color soon. Yeah, so the total of that was $52.75 instead of $49. Okay, let's see what's in this bag. I'm really excited. I think this is mainly exciting for me and probably not that exciting for anybody watching, but hey, maybe it is. Okay, so this says that it's valued at over $238. Let's see what we got. Just get that off there. So, first of all, this bag has like a little zip on the back here, which has a huge pocket inside of it. This is also a giant bag, just quietly, and I think it's pretty cute. Oh my god, there's so much stuff in here. Where do I even start? This is so much more than I thought it would be. Okay, so the first thing, let's just move this bag off to the side. So the first thing here is a Frieda Sheer Blonde Conditioner, and this is a full-size product. I think all of them actually are full-size products. Let's smell this. Oh, it smells really good. I'm blonde, so that's useful. What's this? Pantene 3-Minute Miracle Conditioner. This is Daily Moisture Renewal, and this looks like a full-size product as well. maybe it's like a little bit of a baby product. VO5 Ultimate Hold Hairspray. And this is like a little travel size, really big travel size though, to be honest. That's cool. Schwarzkopf Normal Balance Leave-In Treatment. Oh, cool. I need all the leave-in treatments I can get my hands on, honestly. I think I've tried this range of Schwarzkopf stuff before, but never this actual product. Okay. Ooh. What? So this is from Brite Organix, and on the front it says Bright Neon Clear Conditioning Gloss. Babe, I glow in UV light, I'll make your hair look amazing. Oh my god, I think this actually glows in the dark. Well, in neon light at least. So if you want to go to a rave and have rave hair, I feel like that's what this does. I'm gonna have to try this. I'm not sure I entirely understand. It must be. That's really cool. I had no idea that even existed. That's really cool. This is gonna be really cool for laneway next week. On top of this too, like, yes, please. Yes. Okay, so then we have, is this the same? Oh, okay, so this is the shampoo, the John Frieda Brilliant Blonde Shampoo, oh sorry, Shia Blonde Shampoo. That goes with this conditioner, the first thing I pulled out. That's great, so I didn't even need to buy shampoo and conditioner. But like, okay, now we have, It looks like this bad boy leaked. Kind of leaked all over the place a little bit. It doesn't look too bad though. It doesn't look like it's on anything else. Oh, it just came open. All right, it should be fine. I don't think it's on anything else. So this is the Asana Coconut Milk Hydrating Leave-In Conditioner, so another leave-in conditioner. And this has apparently coconut milk, camellia oil, vitamin B5, and plant proteins. Okay, this is the only thing it might have gotten on a little bit. It feels a little bit sticky, but that's okay, bound to happen. So this is the OGX Dreamy Hydration Pink Sugar Plum Shampoo. This is apparently limited edition. And this looks like a huge bottle. I was actually looking at buying this in order to get this deal, so I'm glad I didn't buy this. That looks really good. I'm gonna give it a smell. It smells really good. What's this bad boy? So this is Models Prefer 3-Day Straight Cream. Is this like hair straightening cream? Right, so basically you put this stuff on your hair and then you style your hair like you usually would with the straightener or curler or whatever. And this is supposed to help it stay straight until the next time you shampoo your hair. I don't know if this will be the most useful thing for me because my hair is naturally extremely straight, like dead straight. Let's see what it smells like. And we have a little seal here. Love that. It smells really good. I mean, what hair product doesn't smell good, but that smells really good. So this looks like a sample hair recipe, honey and apricot moisture recipe. The ultimate recipe for healthy, nourished hair. What? I'll show you the front. So you open it up and it's basically just a sample of, it's gonna fall out, their shampoo and conditioner, which is honey and apricot. Yeah, so it's just shampoo and conditioner samples. They're pretty good samples though. Like, they feel rather large and easy to open and use. Okay, this, I already know what this is. This is a Batiste dry shampoo, the tropical one. But it's a little baby travel size. That's good for me because the only dry shampoo that I have at the moment is the Lush. I can't remember what it's called. It's basically like a little bottle of powder, baby powder essentially. And that's good if you're in a bind, but it does leave a ton of white marks on your hair. This is a Pantene shampoo, Daily Moisture Renewal shampoo. in a little sample size. So I'm not going to be running out of shampoo and conditioner or hair treatments for months. That's what I can see happening after this video. We also have I think you say this HASK? 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 I don't know. This is a coconut oil, Nourishing Shine hair oil. And it's just a little baby one. I did see these while I was there too, and I was gonna buy this. So again, I'm glad I didn't buy this because I've gotten it for free. Okay, this is HASK again. Orchid and White Truffle Moisture Rich Deep Conditioner. So another conditioner sample. This doesn't feel like a sample. That's a lot of product. Like you could condition your hair about 3 times with the amount of product that's in there. It's pretty huge. And Orchid and White Truffle sounds nice. So it looks like there's just a bunch of samples in the bottom here. This is a Marc Anthony Nourishing Argan Oil of Morocco Deep Hydrating Conditioning Treatment. So another conditioning treatment. Oh, cool. I was gonna buy this one. So this is the same as the mask I bought myself. This is from Brite Organix, and this one is the Raspberry and Vanilla Mask for Frizzy hair. Glad I have multiple of them. They're really cute too. Really cute packaging. It looks like a little yogurt. A little yogurt. A little yogurt for your hair. And then we have this. Oh, cool! I've always wanted to try one of these. It's Models Prefer brand Detangling brush. So that's pretty cool. I like that. I like the shape too. Some of them you see are like just this part, but it has like a little handle part on the bottom too. And then in the bottom here it looks like you can get a bunch more things if you use these coupons. So this is a coupon for a free 250ml bottle of Elvive or Fructus conditioner. $7 off hair recipe. So that brand that we got a little sample of. Ooh, this is what got leaked on a little bit by that serum. $10 off when you purchase any item from the BioSilk range. Okay, so this is a gift card for a free Schwarzkopf color specialist color. So I guess like hair dye. I might pick up some of these. Another free color. Okay, quite apparently camera batteries don't come pre-charged. My camera died, but I'm back. I had some lunch, so I'm nice and full. And the worst part is I was nearly through everything. So the very last thing that was in this bag was another free hair dye. This one's from Revlon Color Silk. So there is a lot of coupons in here, and I kind of wish I checked that there weren't any coupons while I was still at the shops, because I probably could have grabbed all of these things while I was there. I don't know if I want them all, but I think some of them could be useful. Either way, I'm not going to need to buy hair stuff for probably the rest of the year, which is great. So this is about $300 as a serious guesstimate. About $300 worth of stuff that I got for $50. And I'm so excited to try all of this. The only thing in this entire collection of products that I can say doesn't exactly apply to me still could be useful for me. And even if it's not, I can definitely give it to a friend who has curly hair. So if you wanted to get the same deal that I did, it's valid until the 12th of February. It's in selected Pricelines, but I feel like it's all of them anyway. Or you can order online and it's just $10 extra shipping. All right, I'm gonna have a very long shower and then put a bunch of treatments on my hair. It's gonna be so much fun. Bye. Oh, honey, sorry, you just don't belong in here anymore. You need to go. Oh my god, that's better. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. It was probably mainly just exciting for me because I got a bunch of stuff basically for free. And I haven't had hair care stuff in so long. That's why this is such a mess. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up so I know I should keep bothering. Also, if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below and I'll get back to you. And I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. 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 My god, I just actually made such a mess. I'm so wrong. Just shut the f up, man. Honestly. Like, I love dogs, but you're making me want to kill you.